In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Mailchimp. Ensuring your email is up to date is crucial for maintaining access to all the communications and insights that Mailchimp offers. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. This step is straightforward. Simply head over to mailchimp.com and click the login button in the upper right corner. Enter your current credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a password recovery option available on the login page. Once you're in, the next thing you'll notice in the upper right corner of your screen is your profile icon. Click on your profile icon, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account and Billing. Now, it's natural to feel slightly overwhelmed by the various options under your account settings, but don't let that deter you. Stay focused and let's proceed with ease. In the account and billing section, we'll continue by navigating to settings and then clicking on contact information. It's here where you'll find your current email address alongside other contact details. You'll want to carefully review this information to ensure everything else is up to date as well, although today we're focusing on updating that email address. Next, locate the option to edit next to your email address. Clicking this will enable you to make the necessary modifications. Now enter your new email address carefully. Double check to make sure there are no typos, as this is the email that will be used for all future communications and login purposes. Accuracy is key. At this stage, you will be prompted to confirm your password. This extra step is a security measure to ensure it's actually you initiating the change. Enter your password and take a moment to check everything over. With these details entered, click Save. This step commits the change, but we're not done quite yet. To enhance security, Mailchimp sends a verification email to the new email address you just provided. Be sure to check your inbox for this email. It's a good idea to also take a look in your spam or junk folder just in case it wound up there inadvertently. Once you find the email, open it and locate the verification link. Clicking this link confirms to Mailchimp that the new email address is valid and under your control, completing the change process. And there you have it. Just follow this straightforward process and your email address on Mailchimp will be updated in no time. Keeping your contact information current ensures you won't miss out on important updates and emails. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher on changing your email address on Mailchimp.